Okay, I had a question about this problem from your homework. Don't let the fact that we have those extra b's thrown in there bother you too much. Everything's going to kind of fall out the same way as we would if the b's weren't there. So the first thing you would look at here, you have 12a squared, a 3ab, a 15b squared. There's no variables you can take out, but there is a common factor. So we pull out the 3 first. Doing so leaves us with 4a squared minus ab, or 1ab. 3 gives in 15 5 times, minus 5b squared. Now, we look at this the same way as if the b's weren't there. So we're going to look at the product of the 4 and the 5, which would be negative 20. So then when you find numbers that multiply by negative 20, yet when you add them, add to be negative 1. And incidentally here at least, the two numbers we need are right there. That's going to be a positive 4 and a negative 5. So again, the 3 outside, I usually forget about him for a while, come back to him later. And now at this point I want to rewrite my problem. So I'll write it as 4a squared plus 4a minus 5a, or sorry, 4ab minus 5ab minus 5b squared. Okay, so we write it so we have 4 terms, and then we do our factoring by grouping. So here, 4a squared plus 4ab, take out our common factor, which would be 4a. That leaves me with just an a left, and a plus b. Now this is going to work very similar to how it's worked before, except now this time there's actually a common factor of a b we can take out. So it's minus, because the third term there is minus. And then we can say, well, we can take a 5 out, and we can also take a b out. Now remember, that's actually a negative 5b, so that's going to change that to a positive a, and also a plus b. Okay, then we have a plus b in both, and we can pull that out. And now don't forget, drew a little arrow here to remind myself that I need that 3 to be up front. And so now I have my answer, 3 times a plus b times 4a minus 5b. Hopefully it helps you out if you ran into trouble with that problem or ones that are similar.